of n power minus n square, n plus 1 into n plus 1 by 2 into n plus 1 by 2 square and so on n plus 1 by 2 power n minus 1 whole power n is to be found out. Now you have to understand that this n power minus n square is nothing but n power minus n square is nothing but 1 by n power n whole power n. Just understand it. N power n whole power n. That is a power m whole power n. A power m into n. That is n into n. N squared. So what we do, we just write it in this way. Its power is n. Its power is also n. So what is that we do? We take this and we write this under the same power. Like this. Just say this. Limit of 1 plus limit of n plus 1 into n plus 1 by 2 into n plus 1 by 2 square into so on n plus 1 by 2 power n minus 1. And what is that we have here? N power n, no? We will write 1n here, 1n here, 1n here, and final n here, and whole power n as n tends to infinity. Now what is that happening here? You can see it is 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. It is 1 plus 1 by 2n whole power n. It is 1 plus 1 by 2 square n whole power n. Which limit we have to use now? Limit of 1 plus 1 by x whole power x as x tends to infinity is equal to e. So if you have a by x here, for example, like same limit only for the purpose of solving this problem. Let us assume like this. Limit of 1 plus 1 a by x whole power x is there. Its reciprocal must be there in the numerator. That means you must have x by a here. So we write it as x by a whole power a, which becomes e power a. E power a, that is 1 by x coefficient. 1 by x coefficient will come in the power. So each term, if you apply this formula, this becomes e, this becomes e power 1 by 2, this becomes e power 1 by 2 square, this becomes e power 1 by 2 power n minus 1. This is what you have to understand. Now because the bases are same, we add the powers. E power limit of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus and so on plus 1 by 2 power n minus 1 as n tends to infinity. This is to be understood as the sum of GP here. So geometric progression, if you apply the formula, it is e power a into r power n. R is 1 by 2 here. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r as n tends to infinity. As n tends to infinity, 1 by 2 power n tends to 0 because 1 by 2 means the base is less than 1. When the base is less than 1, power tends to infinity, the value becomes 0. Thereby this becomes 0 and you will be getting it as e square.